Hi, I'm Angelica Vela. I go to TCU and I'm working in the Houston branch.
Hey, my name's Colin Tran. Oh, wait, what was it again? Just walking in the first day, they provided us with like gift basket, our own, even just our own like desk and everything. I just felt like it was huge. It shows a lot that they care a lot about us, especially just little things like having us read the book Relentless, which is it goes just beyond the internship. They also just want us to learn to have that mindset just throughout our entire life, just to be working as best as you can, just to be the best person you can be.
It's the little things like that that I think sets this internship apart, because I really feel like I'm working for the company.
Right.
And like reading the book Relentless and going on those Tuesday meetings, it's more than an internship. They're really building us to be a better person.
Even the opportunity to do things like coming out to San Antonio, we're at Top Golf now, getting to interact with just people in other branches as well, and all the other interns. I mean, I feel like it's just it's great, and I love it here.